Let's learn how to uninstall an app on your Ailyons smart TV. What you're going to do is that you're actually going to press the home button on your TV remote so that you can actually have this display. And then navigate to this option of apps as shown by this arrow. And then above there, you can actually see recommend my apps. So you're in the my apps option. Right now, those are my apps shown. Okay, those are the ones that are enlisted on my smart TV, on my Ailyons smart TV. So go to the app that you want to uninstall. Okay, and then look at your TV remote and look at what the menu button, where the menu button is. Then you press the menu button. Okay, once you're on the app that you want to uninstall, press the menu button and then they bring you this. Are you sure you want to uninstall that application? Then move your TV remote to the echo option and then you press enter. When you press enter, this is what happens. They ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? You have the okay and the cancel. So you're actually going to press enter on your TV remote and then you can actually see uninstall finished. So by doing that, you've been able to uninstall an app on your Ailyons smart TV. Subscribe for more videos.